Hi everyone, I'm Antoine from BMO and welcome to this kimchi class. So basically what we're going to do today is I'm going to try to teach you how to do this famous Korean dish called kimchi, to show you that if I can teach you how to make kimchi with a digital twin, I can teach you anything and you can learn anything using a digital twin. So let's get started. So first, what is kimchi? Kimchi is a millennial dish invented by the Korean people, basically to allow the preservation of their harvest during the winter. And up to today, basically, has been still a long-lasting tradition, and families even gather to this day to make kimchi together for their loved one. My first contact with kimchi was actually a decade ago in Japan, back when I was a student, and my 3 roommates at the time were Korean. So the first time I entered the room, I was welcomed with this very particular scent of kimchi. And whenever you open the door, the smell would go to your nose and it was very strong. But nevertheless, I tried it a few times and I started to like it. So my point is, if this is the first time you're trying to taste kimchi, it might take maybe a few times for you to get used to the taste, used to the smell, but eventually you will love it and you will become addicted.